Hello, I'm going to show you how to send a message in DMs to a certain user from a server that you own with your own bot. So you go to inventor.gg, which is this website, inventor.gg. You go to dashboard and you click on new bot, but in this case I already have a bot. They will guide you through the entire process. If you click on new bot, just do that. You're going to need to go to developer portal as well. I'm going to choose this bot because I already own it. You can pause the video if you want, if you don't have the bot yet, and just go through the process. Once you're there, in the dashboard, it should look like this. Go to components and then click on the plus rule, ignore this, and then DM user, create. Then we're going to set this to a slash command, DM user, DM a user something. We're going to set this to administrator, so the person running it has to have administrator. And we're going to set the user to user. That's required. This is going to be the user to DM. And a text, which is minimal length 1. And we're just going to set the max length to 250. That's a completely random one. That's not needed. So DM text to DM the user, and then we're going to add a block, which is defer, which is going to add a delay from slash commands needs to respond to you within 3 seconds, and this is going to delay it to max 15 minutes. So we're going to set this to true, then add block, then create a DM channel. You're going to click that. It's going to add it below this one. And then we're going to go to this user ID. Going to click insert variable. Go to slash command and click on user ID. Then send or edit text message or embed message. I'm just going to do embed message because it looks better. And then channel ID, we're going to go to create DM channel. First here in the send or edit embed message. I can't talk. Go to channel ID, insert variable, click on create DM channel, and then click on channel ID. And then allow mentions true because it's a DM of one person, so it can't be a raid. And then we're going to set this to insert variable slash command and then DM text. So that's going to send the text that you put in the command as text. Is going to send it in the person's DMs as this. Going to make it a little nicer. You've got mail. So that's done. This slash command still didn't have an interaction. We made it delay it now. Delay the slash command. Then we created a DM channel with the person we want to DM. And now we sent this message. So now click on add block. And in Discord interactions, click on text reply to interaction. And just click it. So like that. And then I'm just going to make this send a thumb. Yeah. And then set this to true. And then your command is done. Then click on sync command. This is going to, hello. We go on. I forgot to reset my token. Slash command. There we go. DM user command is successful. I need to restart my client now because otherwise it doesn't load in. Then DM user. User, we're going to DM my alt account, normal waters. We're going to text it, hey babe, how you doing there? Yes, okay, it sent a thumb. And now we're gonna go to my alt account. Let's see. And we got a command. No, we got a DM. Hey, you've got mail. Hey Beige, how you doing there? I had to redo the command because and I misspelled it because it didn't work, but now it works. Be sure that the person you're DMing has their settings, which is in content and social, and then here, social permissions, the direct messages. This was off for me. So make sure that's on for the person that you're trying to DM. Otherwise it just doesn't work and nothing sends. So that's all. Thank you for watching.